Today we are discussing fireworks from the scientific point of view. Fireworks are a pyrotechnic fire display of light and sound, usually fire from the sky as part of celebrations. First, a little history. Fireworks were invented in China circa 1000 CE. The Europeans later developed fireworks in 1700 CE after missionaries went to China as a missionary trip.
Fireworks utilize two types of reactions. They are combustion and oxidization. The light you see is created by atomic release and molecular release. Each of these is catalyzed by the heat created from the burning. The high-pitched screaming sound that is often heard with fireworks is created by the resonance of the gas that is being released. There's a very fast strobing of the fuel burning on and off. This vibrates the air at hundreds of times every second, and the whistling sound is created that you often hear.
Although we see the beauty in fireworks, many want to know how it works. Well, the fuel allows the fireworks to ignite. The oxidizer starts the reaction, and it allows the chemicals to oxidize while the binder holds the compounds in place. And the chlorine donor, which provides chlorine to strengthen the color of the flame. Sometimes the oxidizer can serve this purpose as well.
One question many ask is how all fireworks are so many beautiful different colors, yet all look the same on the outside. Well, fireworks actually consist of very different chemicals. Take these colors, for example. Red is strontium salts mixed with lithium salts, as well as carbonates. Orange is calcium salts and calcium chlorides. Yellow is sodium compounds, and electric white is white-hot metals such as magnesium or aluminum.
And that's how fireworks work.
And a carbon.
The fuel allows the fireworks to ignite. And oxidizers... Stop that. You're just too... Okay.
So long for now.
Farewell, avia, say goodbye. And that's...
Okay.
Volete omnes.
What?
Latin.
Oh.
Ohio. Sayonara.
Aloha.
Oh my.
Ciao.
That was horrible.
What are you doing?
Sayonara.
Jazz hands.
Baby, you're a fan.